November 7th, 2011, near Bharachukki Waterfalls. Little less than 100 kilometers south of Bengaluru. Magnificent place. You can see 7 waterfalls right next to each other. You'll see the first one there, second one, third one, and here is the fourth one, the majestic one, the fifth one, sixth one, 7 waterfalls, all coming right into this place. This is right after that Bhara Chukki waterfalls. Awesome place. If you are in near Bengaluru or Mysore, never ever miss this gorgeous place. Just look at the fort. Look at it. Look at it. And the best part is, there are people actually going in what they call as teppa, small country boat. That's somewhere below this, somewhere here. Fabulous place. Again, Bhara Chukki waterfalls in Shivana Samudra area.